Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can load multiple data files into single data frame without the repetition of the header and sequential index. And also, we are gonna do simple exploratory data analysis with Pandas profiling package in Python, and we'll see how it is much easier and cooler to use in exploring the data. So for this, I'm using this data set, which is available on my Git repository. So I'll share the link for this repository, but you can also refer this website kugel.com, from where you will have the lots of data sets available for your practice purpose, for research, to whatever you want to do. So lots of data sets is freely available. So let's start. So I'm going to use Jupyter for the same and start. So about Pandas SPD and then add. I'm gonna also import OS, and then I'm gonna give path. So let's give the path directory, and this is the path where this folder exists. Downloads, and the downloads is AI beta, and there is assignment. So my apologies for the wrong spelling for assignment, but let's go. And profile os dot list directory, and give the path go to IR and just come out. Sorry, this, and then the last for this is print the files. So print files. So let's see. So now you can see the files which was there in the folder. Let me show you the folder. I already have it, so it is available. So here's the all the files is available. So this is the folder where we have the all the files. So now we are able to successfully list all the files here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to just create it. We just want to do all the file in a single data frame. So for that, let's create a empty data frame. So now let me copy this. Okay, and then let's give the data frame name. So let's make it kind of, this is final one. So let's give you final data frame called pandas data frame. Okay, and then already given the path, and then data frame. So PD dot, we are going to read all these file and give the CSV, and then path here plus all the files inside this directory, right? And then give final df PD, then just do concatenation, concat, and then final df, and what else? Data frame, right? So run. So it's gonna take some time because the reason the data size is too big. The volume of the data is really big, so it's gonna take some time to process this request. Just we'll wait for it. Before moving, I just want to show you. Okay, yeah, it's done. So now if you see the data frame shape. Just wait. It should throw us a result. It's gonna take some time. Okay, let's give another big header. So it's just processing. It's taking time because of the huge data set. We'll just wait for a few minutes. And in the meantime, we also see this status for this. And for all. So just wait. In the meantime, I'm just pausing this video. So should not waste time. Just hold for a minute. And we'll come back once we'll have the result here. Okay, so here it is. Now you can see. So we have this much row and columns in this data. And here, if you see, we have merged everything in a single data frame. Here, if you see, for a single file, we were having this much data, and for all these, we got this number, right? So that means we have merged all the data in a single data frame. And if we would like to do some basic exploration of the data, so let's see, we can do that. Here it is. So let's see, final describe. Again, it's gonna take some time, so just wait. And also do, so let's see, here you can see the mean, max, and count, standard, everything is available. And final df dot info. So if you see, we just, I mean, this data size is so big that is utilizing my 4.3 plus GB of memory of my PC. That's the reason you can understand my system is responding slow to this program, right? Okay. So now what we are gonna do is we are gonna use profiling library of Python in pandas. So to do the basic high level of automated exploration of the data, there we'll see some charts, we'll see some graphs, and some a high level of analysis of the data. So to do that, let me read this from pandas. Very simple profiling import, and then give profile some name. So let me call it profile report, because we are just creating a report here. File equal to file report, and then give the data frame name. So that was final data frame, and then give some title, and the title, say, exploratory analysis profile. You can give any name, whichever you would like to give. And then I'm gonna use this HTML and say single block. Single quote. Inside the single block. Right. So true. Okay. And just run this. Okay. So this just give us giving us a warning, saying this please use import Y data profiling instead the Panda profiling import profile report, because this is getting depreciated. But anyway, this is gonna work for us. It was just a warning message. So let's say command file. Okay, so here it is. So this has to get the process. As I mentioned, the data size is too big for us, so it's gonna take some time. So what I'm gonna do once it will start it, I'm gonna pause this video and I'll come back when this is the reporting is done, and we'll have a report available. So it's already started. It's gonna take some time because of the dataset volume. So let me pause the video and we'll come back. Okay, so now our report is done, and unfortunately, due to the bigger data size, this is what happening. Somehow is crashing my Jupyter notebook. So what we can do, we can download this report on our local system, and from where we can go through the report. So to do that, command is simple. Let me get it. So let's put it to file and then give the name of the report. So say EAP, because it's a exploratory analysis profile. So I'm just giving you an EAP report and add this, enter. So this is just exporting the report. Hopefully should be yeah, so it is here. Now we can see the report which was available in this open notebook. The same report, it is here in our local platform. So you see is here. Sorry, again, it's also crashing here. Okay, so see this chart is available here, real numbers. Keep crashing. Anyway. So you see here. Again, maybe it's overutilizing my resources because I was running a few instances on this machine. And you do that, you can explore this report manually at your workstations, and you'll have the more insight about it. So that's all for this session. Thank you.